So hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jody. Yeah, so we're gonna be creating this look. I'm not sure if I'm gonna separate the video or I'm just gonna put it in one video, but yeah, but this is my look, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Sylyne brush set. This is an Aliexpress seller, and they sent me some brushes to review, and we're going to review them today, and I'm going to be using them and reviewing them. So yeah. So guys, these are the brushes, the Sylyne brushes. I use every single brushes for this look. I use the flat top brush, I use the powder brush, I use the highlighter brush or contour brush, and I use this brush as a blush brush and also for my contour. And then for the eye brushes, I only use this brush to add the colors to my lower lash line right here, and it did an excellent job, as you can see. And I use this brush for my nose to add the highlighter to my nose, and also to add the shadow to right here of my nose and right here. These other brushes I didn't use them because this is a concealer brush, this is a concealer brush. I didn't use this brush because I have other brushes like it, so yeah, but this would work, this would do the job. And this is a packing brush or fluffy blended brush or flat top blending brush, and this is like a blending brush also. This could blend your eyeshadow transition shade, or this could add your eyeshadow base. But I didn't use these brushes today because I have other brushes like these, so I wasn't really, you know what I'm saying? But if you don't have brushes like these would do the job very well. Yeah, they're all very nice. As I showed you earlier, this is very nice, very soft, nice blending brush, as you can see. This another good brush. I use this to add the pressed powder to here, right here in my nose, and I also used it to add the highlighter. This is how it is. And then this is the packing blending brush. You could use it to add your eyeshadow and also to blend and to pack shadow. And then this is the concealer brush. You could use this to add concealer like so. And then this is the angle brush. You could use it to do your eyebrows, or yeah, but I didn't use this because this is too small. And then these brushes, they're very good. This one added my contour color shade to right here, and also added a little bit of blush on top. Very good, and it's like angled, so it really gets, across your cheekbones. Sorry guys. And then this is the contour or highlighter brush. This added my highlighter like a dream, and as I said before, it is similar to the Real Techniques brush, so it's basically the same, literally the same. This is a Real Techniques brush, contour highlighter brush, and this is the Sylyne brush set, the 204 brush. The Sylyne brush is a little bit dense, like it's more dense than the Real Techniques, and it's also softer. Oh my gosh, so soft. Yeah, so it's very nice. They're basically the same. The Sylyne brush is just a bit bigger in terms of size, or maybe not, I'm not really sure, but it looks bigger to me. But they're basically the same brushes. Yeah, and this is the Real Techniques. This is the Sylyne brush. Good brushes. Like, as you can see, the ferrules are silver, very light but very nice, and the handle is like maybe plastic, but very good. Doesn't feel like it's gonna break, but you know, it's not like premium or very, very expensive. Actually, I think the brushes that I got from Sylyne earlier, these brushes that I got, I think they feel more premium than these brushes. Yeah, obviously they're like a little bit like more expensive, like how much? Like $30? No, $30? No, like $3 more expensive. But I'm not sure. I should be, you know, yeah. But these feel more premium than these, to be honest. But these do the job as much as these, or as good as these. But I like them. And this is a flat top. Yeah. It's like a stippling brush. It's very flat and it gets the foundation on your face. As you can see, I used that my foundation, no problems. Very nice. And it didn't pack a lot of the foundation. And actually what I did, I wet the brush first before I, you know, used it to apply my foundation. And yeah, this is it. And I just added 1 pump of foundation because, yeah, I'm trying to not use a lot of foundation on my face. Yeah, because I kind of don't really need it a lot. And I really need like concealer and corrector because that's what I want to cover up. And the concealer and the corrector does the job. And I just finish off the work with the foundation. And then this powder brush is very good. Very soft. Whew. Very soft, and it's dense. It's densely packed enough to finish the job or do the job. And yeah, guys, these brushes were sponsored by, well, were given to me for sponsored. These brushes were given to me by Sylyne, the Sylyne company on Aliexpress. These brushes are selling for, I think, maybe $10 US. Very affordable. It's a 10-piece set. 10-piece, yeah. It comes with 6 eye brushes and 4 face brushes. Like, it's like a complete set, something that you're starting out with makeup, or you just want to add some brushes to your collection if you're a makeup artist and you want to have brushes for your client, different clients. You can buy these. It's really affordable and they get the job done. Very nice. So guys, these brushes were sent to me by Sylyne, and yeah, they were solely for the purpose of reviewing brushes. As you know, I've been raving about the other brushes that I got from Sylyne because I love them. They're excellent, perfect, they get the job done. I love them. My favorite brush, and my favorite brush of all time from Sylyne, this brush. My baby. I love it. Yeah, it's so dense. Look at that. And it gets the job done. My favorite brush. And the foundation brush is my favorite. And the which other brush is my favorite? This brush is my favorite. The powder brush, because it gets under your eyes and you add the powder. This is a different set. This is the Sylyne. I will give you a link to the review that I did for these that I bought. These were actually bought from Sylyne, but these are actually sponsored, or not why would I say sponsored? Not sponsored, but like given to me to review. Yeah. And my other favorite is my fan brush from Sylyne. It's like perfect, yeah, for highlighter, because that's what I love it for, not for contouring. But guys, these are the brushes. Let me not talk too much. These are the brushes, and out of a 10 I would give these brushes a 7.5. Yeah, of course my other brushes that I got from Sylyne, I would give them a 9.5 or 9.9. But these I'll give them a 7.5. Mainly because, you know, they didn't beat the first brush that I got from Sylyne. But these are very nice brushes and they're super affordable. And yeah, they assisted me in creating this look, and also, you know, added my highlighter, foundation and all of that. So it's pretty good. And it assisted me for the eye look. I didn't use all of them for the eye look, but it did a good job and I like it. So yeah, and if you like this video and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I would definitely really and truly appreciate it. Yeah. So guys, this is it. If you like my look, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, you got me fissing in finesse.